Hello, my name is Michael. Okay, in this course, in this class, we're going to learn a lot. All right, so we're going to learn how to ask the questions, how are you, how are they, how are we, stuff like that. But we also need to be able to answer the questions. That means we're going to learn a lot of emotion words. All right, 30 emotion words. What? Great! We're also going to cover pronouns. All right, so me, you all, stuff like that. We can put the emotion words with the pronouns and make sentences. Because if we have sentences, we can answer the questions, right? How are you? I'm fine, right? So we can have little mini dialogues. Great. And as we go, I will be testing you. That's right, there will be tests. We need to know that you understand what we've been learning and also that you can sign what we've been learning. Okay, so are you ready? I think I'm ready. Let's do it.